SaaS business owners, thank you for joining me today. If you are here to improve your company's profitability, have more control over your cash flow, and reduce your tax liability, you've come to the right place. My name is Kyle, and I am the founder of D3 Finance. Here at D3, we work with founders just like you to improve your bottom line by up to $50,000 within the first 12 months of working with us. We do this by using a suite of specially designed accounting and tax strategies that can directly impact your SaaS business. Let me tell you a little bit about myself, and then I'll get into the details on how we do this. I've been employed in the accounting and finance industry for the last 11 years. My career ranges from having worked with some of the largest accounting firms in the world, all the way to working with three-person startups in Silicon Valley. I am very grateful to have witnessed both great failure and great success, including a multi-million-dollar exit by an owner that I used to work for. Outside of my own direct work experience, I also have a strong aptitude for technology. One of my most notable projects is our website, d3.finance, that I programmed myself using Vue3.js as its front-end framework. With the way that SaaS businesses operate today, our unique mix of accounting, operations, and technology expertise could not make us a better fit for enhancing the profitability and cash flow of SaaS businesses. If you would like to book a call with me, please pause this video and do so by clicking on the link below. If I'm being honest, I absolutely love speaking with SaaS owners. More often than not, I find myself talking to a kindred spirit in the sense that I am also a small business owner. And 9 out of 10 times, these are just enjoyable conversations where we're exchanging experience, strategy, and just stories that you wouldn't even believe. I always like to ask how you started your business because I think it's very unique how everyone starts theirs. This is a no obligation phone call. Obviously, I have a standard checklist that I like to go through that will help reveal where certain opportunities for better profitability and cash control may exist within your business. Of course, we'll talk about your pain points that you're having because every owner has unique pain points. And obviously, I'd love to hear about your goals as well. With that said, let's get into the meat of this. There are 3 steps that I take every single business through that we engage with. The first step that I like to take businesses through is our comprehensive profitability assessment. This assessment is going to start with breaking down your technology ecosystem and your existing accounting procedures. We can't manage profitability if we're not measuring it properly first. From there, we'll look at your different revenue streams, and then we'll look at the associated cost of customer acquisition for those streams, the average cost to serve for those streams, and then we're going to look at how you're taking those costs and integrating them into your pricing models. We will also perform a very basic expense audit. You would be surprised how many different businesses have just unnecessary spend or subscriptions that they no longer need or use, and how you can just drop income to your bottom line by doing a simple audit. Step number 2 is going to be looking at our cash flow. And I often refer to this more so as cash control. Profits are great, but if they're not actually landing in your bank account, they really aren't very meaningful. Oftentimes, and a common thread that I see with owners is that they don't necessarily understand how much control they can have both in the inflow of their cash as well as their outflow. Improved cash control is going to have a tremendous downstream impact on your business. You should be confident as an owner about how much you're paying yourself, when you're paying yourself, what kinds of investments you can feel comfortable making into your business. SaaS businesses are all about growth, right? If you don't really know when or how you're going to be able to invest in that kind of growth, it can stagger you tremendously. Once your profitability and cash flow have really been dialed in, the final key step here is going to be to reduce your tax liability. We have a suite of experts here who can really come in and help you understand what deductions you should be taking, what credits might be available to you, as well as look at your accounting methodology to see if we can compliantly push taxable income into the future, thereby reducing your tax liability today. With 2025 just around the corner, you are going to want to have your tax plan in place. The only way to truly optimize for the tax year is to have your plan done by November, December, so that way you can really start implementing your strategy throughout the entirety of the year. Thank you for sticking with me. I hope that breakdown made sense on how D3 approaches its engagements to help you improve your profitability, help you take back control of your cash flow, and reduce your tax liability. Again, to talk to me directly, please click on the link below. We genuinely try to help businesses improve their bottom line by up to $50,000 within the first year of working with us. I could not enjoy more helping owners build the kind of life and business that they want. My name is Kyle, this is D3, and I'm looking forward to speaking with you.